Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Technique Force. The topic for today is how to get more traffic using Instagram tags. If you are using any social media platform, then you must have come across the term hashtags. These are words that are written by using hash symbol. However, if you are not a pro, you may get confused as to when, how and why to use them. Plus, if you are running a business, then you may be wondering how can your business be benefited by them? Let me explain to you in detail what it is and how can you use hashtags for pulling traffic online. So let's first start with the meaning of the term hashtag. Hashtags are used on social media sites. Anyone sharing content on a relevant topic can add the hashtag label to their messages. Others searching for the topic can search by that label and find your message on that same social media platform. It helps people to reach, follow and contribute to a conversation or any content. It helps users who are interested in a certain theme to easily find subject matters on the same theme. It looks something like this. Hashtag Technique Force, hashtag TrafficJeet4, hashtag Internet Marketing. The number of hashtags and engagements are directly proportional to each other. If you use more hashtags, your engagements is likely to go up. Let's say using 10 to 12 appropriate and trendy hashtags will help you in achieving the desired results. Do you know that an Instagram post with a single hashtag increases its engagement by 12.6%? Here is a post of list janitor with hashtags like hashtag list janitor, hashtag email success, hashtag email marketing, hashtag internet marketing. How to use hashtags? No spaces in between. To create one, start with a hash symbol. A hashtag can be a single word, an abbreviation, combination of letters and numbers, or a phrase. If it is a phrase, there can be no spaces between words. You can't have punctuations or symbols in your hashtags other than the hash symbol at the beginning. Also, hashtags cannot consist entirely of numbers. Create new hashtags along with general topic hashtags. Anyone can create a hashtag. You could create one of your own or several if you wish. Your own hashtag can be anything under the sun. Just apply some creativity and then start using it in your own messages. Usually, you add it at the end of messages, but you could add it anywhere in the messages that makes sense, so long as it's readable. Don't use an irrelevant hashtag or something that isn't available. Use these hashtags along with commonly used or general topic hashtags used for business purposes. Make hashtags unique. Create hashtags that catch the attention of your audiences. As such, there is no hashtag policy that stops you from using hashtags that are already being used. However, it is advisable to not use usernames of other pages. It's okay to use general hashtags such as marketing or sales. Make hashtags easy to remember and understand. Keep hashtags as short as possible. You could not create a whole paragraph in a hashtag. A hashtag should ideally be an easy to understand word, phrase or abbreviation. Hashtags that are long, hard to pronounce or hard to remember will be hard for people to use too. Never do this. Never ever use too many hashtags. Never ever use unrelated hashtags. These make your posts look like crowded and creates confusion. Avoid hashtag pollution. Using multiple hashtags in a single message makes it difficult to read. Find the exact hashtags for your company. Insert relevant hashtags or network with people using relevant hashtags. In this post, you can see hashtags that are relevant to the product are used, like hashtag RBMate, hashtag Technique Force, hashtag dropshipping, hashtag e-commerce business. Market your business through holding a contest. You can hold a contest and use a hashtag. In this way, you will be able to get people to enter your contest and gain followers. For example, in this case, hashtag contest, hashtag giveaway contest is used. This arouses curiosity and helps in generating traffic towards your Instagram business page. Attend a conference and connect with attendees. Most of the conferences and business events these days have a developed hashtag assigned to the event. Checking Instagram for same hashtag is a straightforward way to find out who else is going to attend or is interested in that seminar. You can then connect with them personally by sending a direct message. This is a post depicting the venue of a conference with hashtags like the name of the conference, the venue of the conference, etc. People searching for a similar kind of conference are likely to come across this post. They will get interested and they will eventually visit and follow your page. Find and share business subject matter using common topic hashtags. You can also use general hashtags. General hashtags can help you find valuable business contents through Instagram. For instance, you can check hashtags for general topics such as hashtag marketing or hashtag entrepreneurship. If you are interested in widening the audience for your content further, you must use such hashtags while sharing your own content. In this post here, they have used hashtags young entrepreneur, hashtag make money, hashtag money ideas. These are general topic hashtags used for business pages. Hashtags for awards and rewards nominations. This is a way to develop energy and excitement around the awards. Further, the award organizations can track discussions around it. While some nominees use it to follow the discussion, other nominees may engage by commenting and sharing with their communities. You can now add Instagram hashtags to your Instagram stories too. By using Instagram hashtags within your Instagram stories, you give your content yet another way to be discovered by a new audience. You can do this by using hashtag stickers, using the text tool and simply adding hashtags. Use hashtag for maximum visibility. Use hashtags in such a way that your content gets the maximum possible visibility. Like this post, it's a wedding gown by Nihin. They have used all relevant hashtags related to a wedding like hashtag wedding gown, hashtag hairstyle, hashtag wedding dresses, etc. Those who are searching for anything related to a wedding are likely to come across this post and are likely to visit and follow the page. Use the search box to find which hashtags your influencers or competitors are connecting with on Instagram. All you have to do is just type in the word followed by hashtag in the search box and you will get all relevant hashtags related to the topic. Since this is the best platform for multiple hashtags, try a wide variety of different hashtags. Use them on posts, photos and comments. Driving a traffic towards your Instagram account from your other social media accounts. You can connect or link your Facebook to your Instagram account so that the friends and followers from Facebook will be able to see the posts that are made by you on Instagram using same hashtags. There are few research tools that helps you to find the perfect hashtags. SEO Harvester G. This fast and user-friendly software application allows you to search ultra-targeted keywords for your content campaign. Go to the search box at the left-hand corner, type the word you want to add, then press Go. Select the keyword you want and then press Add Select or Add All. You can now see all your selected keywords for hashtags over here. These are the other tools for searching Write hashtags. Right tag, hashtagify me, social tag, all hashtags. Now let's come to the conclusion. One of the most important things to be kept in mind is that you have to be very particular about your hashtag selection, and you have to use hashtags that your targeted audiences are searching for as well as following. Thank you.